This is a presentation of a group project made for the course of Adult Learning at Hamdan bin Mohammed Smart University, Dubai. The project is about artificial intelligence and collective intelligence in facilitating adult learning. We are going to explore 4 focus points throughout these slides, and we will highlight how these points can contribute in enhancing adult learning. So we will start with artificial intelligence, then we will explain the collective intelligence and crowdsourcing and the relationship between game theory and artificial intelligence. We all know that machines are built now to perform at the human intelligence. Let's first explore the 3 elements that are important for artificial intelligence. First, we have the data, which is the food for artificial intelligence. And the more data we feed it, the more it becomes smarter. Then we have the algorithm, which is the code that the machine understands. It is like the language of the machine. The third element is the nodes, or the groups, or the collectivities that are connected by the internet. These collectivities are providing machine with the resources and enormous data. Collective intelligence is the information that emerges from a group of people who are interacting and sharing collectively on the web. Automatically, artificial intelligence is becoming smarter. After every connection, word typing, resource sharing, and upload of information.
All this data is collected through a specific strategy to help us as users and learners connect in a better way. This can enhance our collective intelligence because our behavior is changing. It's studied and redirected to the right site. We connect now with the machine, not with each other. The machine is selecting the information that we receive from it. It has a rhythmic strategy that enhances day after day. Let's explain that step by step. The common pattern that the internet follows to connect to our collective intelligence is by going through 4 questions. What is being done? Who is doing it? Why are they doing it? And how is it being done? What is being done? This is to specify the task or the problem or the solution or even the discussion that lead to the creation of the collective intelligence. Who is doing it? This is to find exactly who are the involved parties or the individuals or the organizations that are activating this collective intelligence. Why are they doing it? Here we are looking for the reason. At this level, the machine can register many details, like connecting the individuals with the motivation, or the problem with the exact solution, or to allocate a specific objective to the task. How is it being done? The method that the machine is looking for is how the collectivity is generating solutions, what are the tools used, and how they are using them. So this pattern is very important to help us understand how artificial intelligence can study our collective intelligence and connections. Crowdsourcing is to gather individuals in an open platform, like the internet, to perform a task. To perform crowdsourcing, we need a crowdsourcer, and it can be artificial intelligence here, or the learner who asks for help to perform a task. Then we have the task or the problem that we need to solve or to discuss or to share with others for better solutions by finding a collective intelligence that deals with that problem as a topic. Now we have the crowd. They are individuals that we can find in groups of learners, communities of practice, organizations, and more. Then a reward. It's a motivator that we give to the crowd in order to respond to the open call. A benefit that goes to the crowdsourcer, who is the artificial intelligence in this case, or the learner who is looking for a solution to his problem. A participative process, it means that the individuals must be aware that they are participating in a collective task. An open call, this is something easy to do with artificial intelligence. It will be able to connect individuals according to their interest. And finally, an internet connection, which is a must in the crowdsourcing process.
Now let's explore closely how artificial intelligence works with the crowdsourcing process to facilitate adult learning. Let's say that someone in an organization is looking for a specific solution to his problem. And whenever he types on the internet, he gives a task to the artificial intelligence. The machine is going to connect to the collective intelligence of the crowd using the pattern we've seen earlier in these slides. To have a narrow description of the task, artificial intelligence will look for an organization or let's say a community of practice or any collectivity that is dealing with the same problem. Once located, the machine is going to inform the learner that there is a community somewhere developing a collective intelligence about the same topic or problem. The learner will join the community of his interest, interacts, and shares ideas. Then he will go back to his organization with the best solution in a short time. To understand better how AI can enhance our learning, we need to talk about game theory. As you can see here, this is a picture taken from a movie entitled The Hunger Game. In this movie, game theory is clearly used. It is about studying people's behavior while they interact with each other. And we will refer to the implication of this theory with AI as it studies the strategic interaction of artificial intelligence with people's behavior. In this slide, we can see that collectivities are all connected to artificial intelligence. We do not connect to each other anymore. Crowdsourcing is represented here in the blue arrow and game theory is in the white arrow. Artificial intelligence uses crowdsourcing to find the collectivities. Then it uses game theory to study their behavior through their actions, interactions, daily sharing of resources, and to allocate the effective resources for the tasks that the machine collects from the crowd. There is also a cooperative game theory. It is used by artificial intelligence when collectivities are connected to each other. It helps artificial intelligence find the right decisions or solutions to the tasks that the machine is crowdsourcing. Then it improves the reasoning of the machine and its learning techniques during the process of the information and for dispatching the solutions to the right problem. Now let's recap how artificial intelligence enhances our learning experience. AI is playing an important role in improving the quality of our collective intelligence. It builds bridges between the tasks and the solutions that the learner can require. Then crowdsourcing is a strategy that artificial intelligence uses to collect tasks and problems from different learners and exposing them to the other collectivities. Artificial intelligence uses thinking strategies based on game theory to search, select, and collect the best solutions for us. These analytical strategies are using human thinking, like gathering knowledge, evaluating the potential solution, collecting formal and informal sources, searching the best answer according to the best supportive evidence. Now, let's take a self-evaluation. Before you test your understanding, please copy this table on your paper.